Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. So in this video I want to show you how to edit your profile pictures. So first off, I'm going to take off some of the stuff that I don't want in the picture. So now I'm going to add the stuff that I want. So if you click Ctrl L and this case arrow keys up and down, you can work with the angle you want. So for example, I want something like this. So let's work it out. So let's see, I like this angle. Of course, you can click on this one and you find an angle that you think it's the best. Like this frame helps you a lot, like how the picture is going to end up. And then click star, Iris, no BG, enter, and there should be an image on the desktop. And here it is. Of course, when you edit with this size, like when you're here on 50%, like it's really small. So I'll go on image, scale image, and go on 700. It will be way easier to work with. So click here and go on 100 or even more. So now the 50 is really huge and perfect. So I will go with 150. So I'm gonna click on the zoom tool. So key is go on filter and change, then go sharpen. Another thing, like sharpening your images is really freaking important. Like here, before and after, it really matters to me. And also a tip is, I don't know if you knew, you can here right click and click output the selection and the whole body is selected. And we'll open a new layer and for example do shading or whatsoever. When I draw, it won't go with the line, it will stay inside. It's pretty cool. So we open a new layer and we start with the face. So let me zoom in on it. So I would also highly recommend you the Eclipse tool, especially this one. Like with this one you can do so freaking much. So I'll start with a kind of jawline and this neck. So I'm gonna find a nice size that I could use.
I'm still waiting for the answers to the universe, waiting for someone to wake me up, tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting for a different sign, waiting for someone to take me away, get these thoughts off my mind. As I wait, thinking of you, hoping that you are thinking of me too. I cannot sleep without you by me, and I miss you, I miss you, I miss
So now I'm going with the face. So what I also love recently, this I like here is the crease. You can already see it, depending of your skin, but here you can. So I'm going in on the edge and okay, let me go with maybe this paintbrush. Depend if you want a harsher line on paintbrush, otherwise airbrush.
I'm still waiting for the answers to the universe, waiting for someone to wake me up, tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting for a
different. So for the eyes, what I also love to do, now I have this kind of white line, waterline, but even without this I always make a waterline because I just love this. It makes the eye bigger, more open, and just freaking amazing.
Waiting for someone to take me away. Get these thoughts off my mind. I lie awake, thinking of you.
And what I also love to do, also using my Eclipse tool, is make giving the eye a shadow.
I cannot sleep without you by me, and I miss you, I miss you, I miss you.
Like, look at this part. Looks more snatched and better. So go to top layer, open a new layer. For the eyebrows, I'll make a brow line here. So now we can go with the nose. So here your nose looks really big and I don't like it, so I'll follow like here. Like, I'm not gonna go with the natural nose shape, so
That is why I've been waiting for someone like you. That is why I've been waiting for someone like you. Still waiting for your witty replies, waiting for your touch and kiss. I can't get you off my mind.
you're gonna make this eclipse tool. So we lean on this like lip line, black color airbrush tool, and you brush it, and in the middle you go more down. On the side you go really thin.
I am trying to live another day someone to wake me up, tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting for a different sign, waiting for someone to take me away. Get these thoughts off my mind. I lie awake, thinking of you, hoping that you are thinking of me too.
So now we're gonna do some highlighting. So I'm gonna use a white color, airbrush tool. So I got a lot of requests in the past asking how to highlight. Unfortunately, GIMP doesn't have this add option that makes a really nice glow. So that's why I use overlay. So yeah, let's make a nice glow.
Waiting for someone to take me away. Get these thoughts off my mind. I lie awake, thinking of you, hoping that you are thinking of me too. I cannot sleep without you by me, and I miss you, I miss you.
So for the hair, I'll just follow this line here. Or You can also draw here using this kind of tool, like this, and then smudge it.
That is why I've been waiting for someone like you. That is why I've been waiting for someone like you. Still waiting for your witty replies, waiting for your touch and kiss. I can't get you.
I'm shook. I like it. So let's use this now and let's highlight the hair. Give it some gloss, some pop. So it's
I am trying to live another day without.
and what I like to do is do a shadow where once this hair is, so it's kind of falling. So let's go 50, so, and do just this and click overlay. So you have here now this shadow from the hair. You can do it with the whole part, like I can select the whole arm, go again, filter, Discord, iVarp, radius, take it bigger, and move it in however you like. So let's fix this one. You can go in, out, whatever you like. So let's put it back. This is just to show it. And go all around like this with so since I have now this kind of base around, I will go and work on defining it. So 200, and we'll use the Eclipse tool again if you want a snatched body. So follow this line, of course.
I'm still waiting for the answers to the universe, waiting for someone to wake me up, tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting for a different sign, waiting for someone to take me away, get these thoughts off my mind. As I wait, thinking of you, hoping that you are thinking of me too. I cannot sleep without you by me, and I'm
So I'm gonna add something that I started using recently. I'll put it in the description down below, so if you're interested. And it's this kind of sunrise kind of thing. So let's do it like, I don't know, like that. Then you click on screen, and now let's move around with this like that. So let me make it bigger so you can see. Let's put this on the side. So I like this one, like a background. So let's save image. First, let's try them out. Let's go on to 50 so you can see better. So let's make it like this. The frame, be sure it's covering it, and then click on screen. And this is how it looks, so you can turn it around, make it bigger, do whatever you like.
Waiting for your touch and kiss. I can't get you off my mind. I am trying.
So if you finish with your image, Ctrl M, combine it, and what you should do, filter and change, sharpen this whole thing up, and you got your perfect image. So guys, this is my little tutorial. I would say if you want to see more videos like this, let me know with a thumbs up, and I'm gonna make more edits. My summer job is finishing tomorrow. I'll have so much more time to record videos and do much more. I miss doing YouTube videos. So yeah guys, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
You should see me in a crowd.